that the Declaration of Independence is going to be read and the Constitution is going to be read. Indiana wasn't reading those before. Well, I'm not sure if Indiana was or was not reading them before, but I know what the Common Core is doing with them. And you can look. It is true that the Declaration of Independence is going to be read according to these Common Core standards if you take Appendix B as an indication. But look at the question that's actually asked of the Declaration of Independence in Appendix B. It's a compare and contrast question, which is comparing the Declaration of Independence to the Olive Branch Petition. Okay, what does that mean? Well, I think Johnson once said that patriotism is the last refuge of a scoundrel. I would say that compare and contrast is the last refuge of a standards maker. When you don't have something meaningful to say about the Declaration of Independence, you just willy-nilly compare it to another text, and you actually derive no real learning about what the Declaration is. How about the Constitution? How is that studied? Well, the Constitution itself is not recommended in Appendix B or in any other part of the Common Core standards. Through the 6th or the 8th grade, Amendment 1 is recommended for the 6th through 8th graders. Only Amendment 1, not Amendment 2, not Amendment 10, not Amendment 5. Why is that? In a solid curriculum, you would have students actually reading the Constitution by middle school. Even in the 11th through 12th grade reading band, in the high school, the full Constitution is not recommended, only the Bill of Rights. That's problematic because I would think that by high school you would at least have students reading the Bill of Rights. There is, however, in a section where not the Constitution is read, but rather a textbook on the Constitution is recommended, and that's a work that's published in 2005. What does this textbook do? Does it help us understand the Constitution? Does it tell us about federalism, checks and balances?